Hey guys, it's SterlingW, and today we'll do a long-term 10 plus year review of our Black & Decker Toast R oven. We've had this in the household for at least 10 years or more. At the same time, it's good for toast, good for baking stuff because it goes up to 450 degrees, but it is kind of small. It's, good for the dorms and stuff. I make a lot of cakes with it. Now we did upgrade to a much larger convection oven. This is a Oyster French door oven. It has a convection and like air frying abilities and stuff like that. We really like it because we can actually put two pizzas instead of one, and that's the whole selling point for that one. We can actually make larger cakes in it. But to give its cred, the Black & Decker Toast R oven, this, like, again, 10 years, we did a lot of toast. It does go up to like 450 degrees. I'm gonna go ahead and review it and stuff because the design hasn't really changed much over the past few years. In fact, it hasn't changed since my college days. I've actually used these before, and I've actually gave that to my roommate because it lasted so long. But this one is still in our household, and I'm going to show you that it comes with these racks. It does have this nice guard for the heat elements, which is nice, and it basically radiates the heat around the thing. This is one of the most useful toaster ovens that I've ever owned because basically it's just so versatile. But it's kind of small. It's big enough for like a 9-inch little cake like that, but that's about it. But it's very compact, very efficient. Comes with a dust or a crumb pan on the bottom that easily you clean stuff out after you're doing your toast stuff. And also, it has two rails to actually go through, so actually you could put your tray on either rail of them. Of course, you could put it on different levels. The newer one only has one level that you could choose from because I think they just keep the top one so that you can actually be closer to the center of the entire oven, because it comes with this drip tray that goes on the bottom for broiling and stuff. Like I said, this is a very versatile little oven, whether you're doing toast or whether you're doing small roast. We cook steaks in this thing. It's been a very useful oven through college. It's, like I said, this has been an extremely useful oven. Once you have all these things, they pretty much last forever. This one, like I said, if you look at the dials and stuff, it's extremely easy to use too. So we usually actually unplug this thing after we finish using it, but as you can see, all the functions are there in terms of toast or a timer and stuff. We usually set it to a timer and let it cook, especially for baking. It goes up to 450 degrees and also has other settings as well. Anyways, guys, this is SterlingW. I hope this review was helpful to you, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye bye.